How to design logo using Canva, logo creating tutorial. Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your own logo using Canva. Basically, it's not that hard, it's pretty easy, just follow these steps, I do to not make any mistakes. So Canva is a free service with paid plan of course, but we'll talk about them a little bit later, which provides us the opportunity to create design for different things, for several things. So logo also. In order to use this service, we need to go to canva.com. If you are new, you'll have to create an account. So in the right top corner, there will be the option to create an account or log into like existing account. You can continue using this service with your Gmail. So if you have Gmail account, it will be pretty easy for you to create account in Canva. So on this page, we'll start on this page. We have like in the left side, home, projects, templates, brand hub, apps. But what do we need today is just home page. It looks like this. In the top of the screen, there is like some information about Canva. So I don't think that's interesting for us. What is interesting is our central part here. So we have like, you may want to try templates, docs, whiteboard, A4 document, and if we'll scroll to the right side, we can find something interesting like a logo design. So as you can see, we have like a logo template. There are a lot of templates provided by Canva, sorry. So we can just click on create a blank and go to editing page right up here. What does it mean? So this is our edit page, so we can add a lot of different stuff here. We can start from scratch, or we can just use the template from Canva to start with, so we can just customize. As you can see, we have like a lot of templates here. We can search for logo templates, we can try to search, but we can also just simple scroll down to find the suitable one. For example, this one is pretty good, but you need to know that there is like paid templates and free templates. The difference between them is in this icon with like crown here. So if you see it, it means that you can use it only if you have the upgraded plan. But there are also a lot of simple templates with like free. So if you want to create your first logo, maybe it will be better for you to start from the free version basically. So for example, this one is really good. So we can just click on it and then just use it to customize to create our logo. So as you can see, we have like, we can click on every single part of the logotype and change it. So firstly, I'd like to change the background. In order to do this, I need to click on it, and then in the top of the screen here, I can change the color by simply using the in other colors. So let's make it in this color, I guess. So after that, I'd like to also to customize this icon. All I need to do is just to simply click on it and choose the colors on the palette. So we can try to play with them to make them look much maybe interesting or do some other stuff. So let's try to find something which is really cool. Basically, I think that this option is like really good, and this is like the view which is suitable for my logo. So I can also resize the picture. I can just click on the corner and then just resize. So we can also change the position here. I will rotate it to the center, and here let's change the number, the name of our company. Like let it be like the name of our channel. Yeah, and also we can write something instead of this text here in the bottom. So let's write like best tutorials. So what do I need to do next? I'd like to increase the size. So I'll just click and just customize it right up here. And also we can change the size of this caption. Yeah, basically, you know, it looks really good. Maybe I will just even change the logo of my YouTube channel with this. So in order to export this logo, I need to click on share here. in the right top corner, and then just click on download here. So after that, we can change the format. I'd like to use JPG, best for sharing, and then just click on download. So as you can see, the process began, and now we can just simply click on it here and we'll find it on our computer. Yeah, it looks like this, pretty good. So the resolution is not that high because usually logos like has small resolution, but we can also change it here. So basically this is a way. What I wanted to show is that you can use a lot of different elements. For example, here, instead of this element, we can just delete it, and we can try to find like graphics here. So as you can see, we can just move it here. This one could be deleted. So after that, it may look a little bit different. So with this way, you can also customize it. Just try to find the suitable elements here in the elements area, like different shapes, different stickers. Also, you can use even videos, but honestly, I think that graphics are the most interesting here. We can click on see all. And after that, we'll be able to find all the graphics, not a lot of them, and almost all of them are paid, but still we can use, for example, this idea here also. So we can just click on it and then just edit some colors to make it more suitable. This one looks really good, something interesting, yeah. So basically, if you want to upgrade, there is like also paid plans. I have the page here to show you. So as you can see, this is our Canva free, this is our basic version. So it has a lot of features like drag and drop editor, as I already showed you, like a lot of different templates, different design types, like free photos and graphics. And we can also invite others to design and work with, like wide range of printable products and 5 GB of cloud software storage. But if we'll upgrade, we can have even more, like millions of premium stock photos, a lot of unlimited features, folders, and premium content, a huge amount of premium and free templates with new design every single day. Establish your brand's visual identity with logos, colors, and fonts. We can also create dedicated folders for specific projects, resize design infinitely with Magic Resize, remove image backgrounds instantly with background remover, schedule social media content, and a lot of cloud storage, and like customer support. So if you're interested in using Canva, I suggest you to use like Canva Pro. I think it's pretty cool and it's really useful as for you, because if you'll return, we can find a lot of different templates here, like as for logos, Facebook posts, whiteboards, like Facebook stories, infographics, covers, Instagram stories, Instagram posts, posters, flyers, resume, and so on. So huge amount. And you can also create them from scratch if you will just increase your skills, like grow your skills. So it will be easier for you to like work with Canva. Basically, that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you out. If it is, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. If you have any questions, you can write them in the comments below. Goodbye.